Guys, this is Mathieu from Break the Ice Forum. I'm just right here in Liège where we'll have the next Break the Ice Forum on the 6th and 8th September in the brand new Valk hotel. It has 219 rooms and it's just next to the Palais des Congres. As well, you have the possibility to meet a lot of other suppliers, about 30 suppliers that will be present. They are coming from locally, internationally, so there will be some hotels, there will be some convention bureaus, so DMCs. So we'll be more than happy to have you all here to join us. It's going to be fun, pro, cool, authentic, and we'll have a lot of fun, and I'm sure you'll meet and discover a lot of new contacts that will help you in your future events. So come and join us at Break the Ice Forum 6-8 September and you'll see that you won't forget it. Bye bye!